This tutorial will show you how to run an OS level command with a string object using the execute method. First, we'll define our string object, my command string, and we'll create a command that we want to execute. Right now we're going to execute the dir command. And so now we're just going to call the execute method with our string object. And you can see that it executes fine. There's our process. But if you want to see like what the command actually prints out, then just add the text, .text. And there you go. You guys can see that we have displayed everything that's in the current working directory. And so I'm executing out of the Groovy file. So if we want to spice this thing up, you can add OS environment variable. So we'll make an environment variable object, and we'll just call it my Groovy, and we'll have it equal to test string. So this is a variable that's supposed to be now inserted into your OS, and we're going to add the echo command just so we can test it to see if it's actually being set. And we'll need to add this object into our execute method, and we have to put the null for the second argument because it takes 2. And there you go. You can see that we printed out the environment variable, we see the test string, and we still see that we're inside the Groovy. So if we wanted to change the directory and get a little bit more creative, then we can just add a file object and point to a path that we want to search. So we'll replace the null with my directory, and we'll execute this. Alright, here we go, and you see that we're inside the C drive now, the root directory of my Windows system, as you can see, and it's still printing out the OS environment variable my Groovy as well. So here you guys go, a simple way to execute OS level commands.